What's up, guys? Brad from the OldSols here. I'm in Dunlap, Iowa. Dunlap, whatever it is. But I'm in the middle of the road because it doesn't really matter. It's like, I don't know, there's some squashes over there. Just small town Iowa, guys. And I'm here. There's a Del Sol back there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're painting a Del Sol. My buddy at VTech of the Sun on Instagram or To Protect and Serve You on Reddit has got his 97 Del Sol VTech in the garage there. Needed to be painted, so we're here. It's at his family's other house, and it's the only place we could do it, so let's get in there. Hopefully this is a good video. We're going to see, it's not super professional. We're just hanging out, enjoying each other's company, painting a Del Sol. So check you guys in a bit. Peace. Oh, you know, I just have the Del Sol here. It just blur out all the walls. This paint looks like shit. Perfect. I like to see a little bit of drinking. Just okay. Got my drink here, so I'll head back out onto the garage. So all we're doing here is we're taping off all these goddamn Del Sol seals because there's a million of them. All the door pillar, bottom of the door seal, up along the targa, across the targa, along the back, in the gas tank, inside the taillights, the keyhole, other taillight, antenna. You can see we've just all along the bottom of these seals, all up the windshield seal. This car's pretty complicated to paint. I mean, I know a lot of you guys have all painted your Del Sol and whatnot, but it's not that easy. There's a lot of shit to go. So we dropped some green painter's tape in here, and we need to use these senior citizen grabbers.
I got those so I could pick up sticks.
Oh, sure you did, Bob. You got them. Well, after a lot of drinks last night, we finally woke up. We got coffee at the gas station. Got a Jubal at the gas station, so I'm gonna try that out. I have to go to the bathroom, and I'm really tired. But it's nice out here. Lovely fall Iowa day. So feels good to be outside. We're getting ready to get the airlines all worked out. Alright guys, so yesterday when I got here it was dark, so I wasn't able to show you guys, but they've already sprayed some parts yesterday. So and they're letting them dry in here just because they have room in here. But They got the dolphin nose bumper up here. Paint looks pretty good. I mean, it's not 100% like awesome, and they didn't get everything out of it, but looks pretty nice. They painted the side skirts underneath, so we'll see if that looks good. Got the garnishes for the trunk, the mirrors, the OEM lip, the rear garnish. These turned out really good. These turned out really good too.
Hold on, let me drop it.
Okay. Oh, you dirty bitch. Whoa! It's like some kind of space engineered.
Really, you might lose a little there. I don't think we dare get it out of balance.
Yeah.
Should I move that up a little?
What do you...
I think we got a good balance. Because he's worried about like overhanging it would be better, but then it would go too far forward. So
Well, then I think it might come
yeah,
that
no,
way.
I'd rather err on the side of caution here.
Yeah.
What side was the primered side? Okay, doesn't really matter. Yeah, like I said, like where it's metal right here, bare metal. That's just because it slides in and out of that rack, and so you can't even see this. It's covered up. So I think I'll get plenty of coverage. So we got one coat on, and we're gonna do 3 coats. So we got 3 coats of paint, one's on, and we'll see how the next one goes. But